everyone, good evening, welcome to the class everyone. I'm your teacher Ankita and I welcome you on your own channel 9th and 10th. How are you all? Good evening. Hi Kumar. Hi Krishna. Good evening everyone, it's good to see that all of you are here. Yes, very good everyone. I hope that all of you are doing amazing and you are learning. Good evening, Varshini. Hi, Ruby. Hi, Sai. Hi, Gamer. You're new. Welcome to the channel. Somcharan, hi. Hi, Srimati. Hi, Abhimanyu. Yes, thank you. Good evening, everyone. Yes, so how many of you have just came into your 9th class? Like, yes, do tell me. So I'm sure your new academic year just started. Thank you, Somcharan. Thank you so much. Hi, Ujjain. Welcome. Hi, Nibha. That's nice. Good evening, Krishna. Very good. Welcome over here if you're new. Hi, Saksham. Yes. Hi, Abhiyaditya. So you are new here, right? Hi, Karthik. I'm good, Varshini. How are you? Amazing, everyone. So today's session is really very interesting session, right? I'll not be taking off much of your time. I'm sure all of you are waiting that when we'll be having sessions for 9th grade and 10th grade, right? We were focusing a little bit more on the current 10 board examination. But we are here now, right? And of course, we will be going ahead with an amazing session that we have planned for you. As of now, let's quickly, in today's class, we'll be discussing about the reduced syllabus and the weightage. Yes? Okay, so I hope that each one of you are ready, right? I would request all of you to have your pen and your notebook so that you can note down the important points. Yes, and I want you to interact with me over here. Very good. So I hope that you can see me and you can hear me clearly. Yes? You can write in the chat box. You can make a smileys and a thumbs up. Very good. Yes. And a very good important thing that don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel so that you will get all the amazing notification. Very good, everyone. On that note, let's quickly start our session. So in today's class, we'll be discussing about the reduced syllabus of class 10th. A very important topic because you will be writing your board examination. And this year, you will be, right, focused on more on the education part of it. You will be learning amazing new concept with us, right, and in your school. So it's really very important for us to understand that what syllabus we have and what we'll be learning this year. Yes. So let's start with the important instructions that we have from the CBSE. Of course, as we all know that this year, we will just have one examination, right? We'll just have one examination. One annual examination for the entire syllabus. So this year we had term 1 and term 2. But for you guys who are currently in the 10th standard, you will be having just one annual exam. Remember that, everyone. Then of course the important thing over here is to remember that 80 marks paper will be there, and out of that 20 marks. Out of 100 we have 80 marks of theory paper and 20 marks will be provided by the school after the internal examination. Yes, everyone. We will be discussing about that, Tarun. Yes. Yeah, it's only CBSE as of now, Nibha, today. We are just discussing about the CBSE. Yes. So remember, 80 marks theory paper will be there. Then, of course, a very, very important thing that from the bio, we will have 30 marks. So approximately, we will have the 30 marks questions, right, the weightage that we have. And important thing, of course, there is amazing information about the reduced syllabus. So let's quickly discuss about the syllabus that we have. Yes. So we have the first theme, that is the word of the living. And over there we have the very first chapter, that is a life process. Of course, we have interesting information about the nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion both in the plants and the animal. So that's the first chapter we have, right? Life processes. And it has all the 4 important processes. We have nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion both in the plants and in the animals. So over here, there's no deletion from this particular chapter. There's no addition also in this particular chapter. This is as it is, same as it was there the previous year. Yes, that's amazing. Very good. Then if we talk about the next chapter, here we have the addition of this particular chapter. So this year we have control and coordination in both plants and in animal. Now of course last year we didn't have this chapter, but this year this is the added chapter we have. Yes, so we'll be discussing about the tropical movement in plants, the introduction of the plant hormones, we'll be discussing about the control and coordination in animal, the nervous system, voluntary and the involuntary movements, and of course the reflex action and chemical coordination in the, and that we'll be discussing about the animal hormones. So over here we have a whole chapter of control and coordination, nothing has been deleted. Moving to the next chapter, we have how do organisms reproduce. The chapter remains as it is, talking about the reproduction in both animals and the plants by both ways, sexual and the asexual reproduction. And of course, we're discussing about the reproductive health, the different contraceptive methods and the different diseases, HIV, syphilis, gonorrhea specifically. And of course, we'll be discussing about the family planning and the importance of the contraceptive methods. So there's no change in this particular chapter of how do organisms reproduce. Yes, I hope that everyone is clear up to here. Yes, very good everyone. Yes, control and coordination. Life process is difficult. It is. I'll not say it's difficult because we have so many life process for us to understand. But we will be learning this together, so we will assure that it's not difficult for you. Yes, yeah, amazing. Then of course we have the next chapter, which is the heredity and evolution. A very important chapter. We know that we have heredity, we have Mendel's laws, and of course sex determination, a brief introduction for that. So in this particular chapter, there's some deletion. We'll be discussing about that in a later part. After this particular chapter of heredity, we have the next theme, which is our natural resources. In that, we have the chapter, our environment. This chapter was there this year also, and of course, we have this year. Like the last 10th batch had this particular chapter, and now you will be having this particular chapter in your examination. So out of the few chapters that we have life processes, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, heredity, and our environment. Yes, everyone, I hope that you're taking a note of all of these important things. Very good. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Lakshmi. All the best, Sahil. Yes. Very good. So, till now we have discussed about the syllabus that is there in our examination. Right? Now let's talk about the deleted syllabus. We are very lucky, or let's say, whether we are very lucky or not lucky, of course, we will be deciding by ourselves. But unfortunately, this year, we don't have the evolution chapter and the classification of the evolution. It's a very interesting topic altogether. It has been deleted from the chapter heredity and the evolution. But nevertheless, we have amazing chapters. So we will just feel a little bit sad that we don't have evolution that we'll be learning. But of course, you can read from the textbook. In textbook, of course, we have that particular chapter. Sorry, the topics, you can read it from them. Yes. Very good. Yes. So we have discussed about the theory part of it, right? The syllabus that we have and the weightages, right? Of course, we know that 80 marks will be going to the theory part and rest 20 marks will be there for the internal assessment. So let's discuss about the internal assessment. So we have 20 marks with us. So out of that, when we talk about, we will be having the periodic assessment. Then of course, we have the practicals and lab work that we usually do in these schools. And then of course, we have the portfolio. So our 20 marks, right, over here will be divided in this particular way. So if you look for the weightage, we have 10 marks for the periodic assessment and 5 marks each for the practical and the lab work and for the portfolio. Yes, exam were very easy. That's good, Hitesh. Yes, Shraddha, there will be 3 chapters in the assessment. Yes. We will be discussing about that, Sahil. So let's discuss about what you'll be having in each of these. So if you talk about the periodic assessment, right, over here, we will be discussing about, like in your schools, you'll be having the I'm sure you have the unit test, right, or the periodic test. So the 3 periodic tests will be conducted by the schools, and the average will be you will be getting the average of 2 tests. So each one of you should be focusing on the unit examination or the unit test that we have in our schools. So of course the school will be conducting 3. Out of those 3, the best 2 or the average of the 2 will be taking. The average of the best 2 will be taken, and it will be going to your main result. Yes. Or your first test in the June, all the best for that. Then comes the second point, right? Of course, that are the other 5 marks for your short test, oral test, of course, the concept map, projects, and the presentation. So in our schools, we have amazing projects, right? And the class presentation we have, oral test we have the concept map. So you will be getting the 5 marks from all of these different methods of assessment. So when you are learning, right, and when you're going to the school, I would encourage you to participate more. If you have doubts, ask, work on your presentation skill, work on your project, right? That will be helping you to learn in a very, very better way. Yes. Very good. It's okay, Hitesh, no worries. Increase the volume. I don't know how I can do that. You can just see the volume. I think I'm speaking in a very higher pitch now. If I talk more further, it will be like I'm shouting. Yes. Rather, we are planning to finish a syllabus approximately the same time when your school will be doing. Right? So, before your first pre-board examination, that will be the plan, right? More than a month ahead, I guess. Don't worry, you don't have to be afraid of science. It's a very easy subject. I'm good. How are you all? Yes. Okay. Now moving ahead to the practicals and the lab work, right? We know that in our schools, we have a lot of practicals and lab work. So how many of you have the practicals? How many of you have labs in your schools? And how many of you actually, go there and do the practicals? During the COVID time, of course, there was a lot of restriction on that. But now that we have our schools reopened, I'm sure you'll be doing the practicals in your school. Yes, Abhimanyu, we will be doing that. Yes, right? Very good. Anjum, don't worry. You don't worry about the examination. It's gone. You will be getting good marks. Okay. Yes, I think many of you are saying your offline class started. And yeah, you will be going to do some experiments. Well, good. So, of course, the experiment, right, of course, that we will be doing, we'll be making up the records, right? We'll be getting the 5 marks out of that. So, make sure you are maintaining your records, right? You will have your practical notebook, so you will be maintaining that. And from that portal and how you will be conducting the experiments and the Viva, you will be having 5 marks. So, till now, we've discussed about the 80 marks and 10 marks, 5 marks over here, and we're just remaining with the 5 more marks. Yes? Then last comes the portfolio, right? Of course, this is a very interesting thing. I think many of you are asking about this. That, of course, you will be preparing by yourself. You will be making this by yourself, right? And, of course, it will be including your classwork. Of course, all of us will be going to the schools. We have a class notebook and our homework notebook, right? So this will be based upon the work that you will be creating throughout the year. It will be a record at what you are doing in the school, in the class. Yes. Very good, everyone. So I hope that you all are clear with this. Quickly give me a thumbs up. Very quickly, everyone, quickly give me a thumbs up. It's a very short and amazing session. We are discussing about your reduced syllabus, right? We have majority in the class 10. We have one particular topic which has been reduced, right? That's very good, Sai. Very good. I can see lots of thumbs up. Very good, everyone. So we are clear, right? 80 marks for the practical, 80 marks for the theory. Then we have 20 marks for the internal assessment. Out of that 20 marks, 10 marks will be for the periodic assessment where you will be writing your periodic test. Out of that, the average of 2 best tests will be going to your final marks. You have 5 marks, there will be another methods of assessment, different types of tests, and then you have 5 marks for the practical and the lab work, and the last 5 marks for your portfolio, basically for your classwork and your homework notebooks. Very good. Yes. So class 10th video have already started, right? You can go on the channel. If you go there, you will be able to see a series of the achievers where we are discussing about the important concept, right? So we have started with the first chapter, that is life process. So you can go and watch it. We have started the session. There are few sessions which is already out there, right, on the channel. So I would request you to go and check out those videos. Very good. You can subscribe to the channel so that you will be getting the daily notification of the community post, where of course you will be becoming aware about the session that we have planned for you. And to make things really very easy, we have the Telegram, right? So if you haven't joined the Telegram group already for the channel 9th and 10th, join us right now. On that particular group, we will be getting, you will be getting a proper update about the sessions, revision notes, homework question, and amazing other things. So join the Telegram group. The link is there in the description box below. I would love to see all of you there, right? So all the session notification you will be able to get there. Yes, Ashwini, you will be getting the update on the Telegram group. All the best, Niba, for your science exam. Yes, Varshini, we'll be doing that very soon. So, all of you join there. Very good. On that note, everyone, don't worry. If you're new here on our channel, right, subscribe to it and it will become your channel, right? 9th and 10th, BYJU'S 9th and 10th. So, join us, subscribe it now, and we will be meeting on a very regular basis. For this particular video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to your own channel, and you will be getting the notification for it. There's a bell icon, hit the bell icon also. Yes, and if you have any doubts now, please, you can ask in the chat box. I'll be able to answer them. Yes. Yes, half-yearly exams will be conducted, Sahil, in your school, but I'm sure those marks will not be counted, especially for the 10th standard, right? Yes. Or maybe that can be decided by the schools only. So, periodic test, of course, the schools, if they want to, they can definitely include them, or it's up to them whether they want to include the half-yearlies or not. Krishna, tomorrow again we have a session, so we'll see you there. Yes, you will be getting the sessions for the class, current 10th class. So you have to subscribe to the channel so that you will get all the notification. Yes, social exam will be super easy. You just have to revise with us. And you have to just read through your NCERT books. My name is Ankita. So, Radha, mostly यहाँ पे a mix of English होगा, language if you're asking. But we will be focusing more on Hindi because all of us will be writing our examination in English. कुछ concept बहुत tough हुए तो हाँ हिंदी में होगा, but majorly in English. We will be, yes, we will be. Thank you for reminding us. We will be doing that. Yes, Sai, we will be discussing कि हम किस तरीके से write. We will be discussing कि how we should be writing the answers in the examination. Thank you so much, Lakshmi. Hi, Kaur. Lokesh, for that you can just go on the community post. You'll be able to see for the social studies. Yes, Krishna, we're talking about the class 10th session, the current class 10th session, who have joined us recently. Yes. Very much excited for the, right? I am also excited for the upcoming new academic year where all of us will be learning together. Good evening, Poonam. Welcome to the class. Hi, Himanshu. Nibha, tomorrow we'll be meeting again. Yes, rather we will not be like, we will see that, of course, the discussion can be in English and in Hindi, but of course the writing part, we will try our best to help you over there. Definitely, we will be there for your doubts. Yes, you will be getting the session notes on the Telegram group very soon. Yes, everyone. I hope that's it. Hi, I think many of you are joining us now, right? We're just ending the session. Don't worry, you can watch it again. We've just discussed about the reduced syllabus in the class 10th. I'm good. How are you all? You can ask a doubt, Yash, in the during the class, right? Awesome, everyone. Great. So I'll be ending the session now. We'll be meeting tomorrow very soon. So don't forget to hit the like button for the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. There's a free class trial link. You can try that out. Yes, and we'll be meeting tomorrow. On that note, everyone, take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow. And you can write in the comment section below what more, right, we can do for you, right? What types of session you want, right? Which topic is really very, interesting that you want to learn now. So do write in the comment section below, right? And we will be able to help you. You can find the deleted syllabus in this PPT, in this session only, right? Let's go back after the session. We have discussed the deleted syllabus or the reduced syllabus. Thank you so much, everyone. Lots of love to each one of you. Will have an amazing academic year ahead. So be with us and we will be learning together. See you in next class. Bye-bye, everyone.